Give another 3 minutes, people. It's a little choppy right now. Do you see one thing though, guys, right now? You have a little bit of an indication of where there's buying and where there's selling, right? Buying around the 270, selling around at 379, 380. Guess what? About 110-point range, right? Is that consistent with what your plan was? How many people projected at least 100-point range off the open? If you did, then so far your plan is working. There you go, 117 points. So all you're doing is research right now. That's all you're doing. You don't have to click on every trade. You're going, all right, where are the buyers? Where are the sellers? If you go into the woods, I'm not a hunter, but if you go in the woods and just start shooting a shotgun off, you get arrested, right? You're not allowed, someone, I shot my friend. Well, why? Well, I heard a rustle in the bushes and you just shot at it in hunting season. You get a reckless endangerment. It's a felony. But if you see something with antlers and all that, then you could shoot it. Same way with trading. If there's antlers, short it. So now 6 minutes are up. You see, you have a good idea of what's going on. You notice the momentum is kind of sideways too. I mean, it's turned down, obviously, but it's also been up a little bit too, right? Turned up for a little bit and then goes, oops, no, I'm going to turn down. Tiny little buy signal under here. Don't take it. Trend is down. So let the buy signal not work. How about that?
Yeah, I'm looking to do a sell stop with the buy signal, guys.
Yeah.
It's a possible entry. Could be way off. I don't know.
273, guys. Next downside target would be 257 if you took that trade. $257 coming right up. Good call, coach. Boom.
Just luck. Just pure luck. There's also breaking a support level on 2-minute chart, guys, and a 15-minute chart. So that was a pretty
Good job, Bill. Remember earlier we had that double bottom? Paul, you mentioned that. Remember 268? Double bottom broke, didn't it? 269, yeah. Did you take it? Guess what? If you waited 6 minutes, it was very prominent. If you went short at 9:32, you probably lost about 60 points. And it always happens. Everybody sees, oh, it's a downturn. I'm going to jump in. And 6 minutes later, they get their clock cleaned. That's mine, my phone. The cat's taking care of it. Step on it. It's vibrating. Yeah.
Move your stops down some, guys. Put yourself in a no-lose situation. Pretty easy here.
Die, you dirty dog. Guys, you can't lose today. You got 3 coaches, 2 trading dogs, a trading cat. I mean, come on.
Hi, Mouse.
Hey,
Hi,
Chrissy.
Chrissy, good girl.
Yeah.
Move your stops down a couple more ticks, guys. Got to move your stops down a couple more ticks. Nice job, Bill. Nice job.
Great job, guys. Some of you, Guy, you should be done for the day. 160-point winner. The only thing you can do now is give back your gains. And I know it's exciting. The big discipline comes with saying, you know, I made a good trade. I think I'm done. Go back to sim. Yeah.
Guys, keep in mind, we're looking for there's a lot of points here. S1 could be resistance, first touch rule. So probably going to be looking for a sell signal somewhere in this area, guys. We just broke some support. Coach and I were just talking about it.
Yep.
We literally said that like an hour ago. There's a good sell signal. You guys get that? Who got that?
Little flag pattern. Remember we talked about that?
You guys get that? semi first touch rule short.
Now it's a matter of trailing your stop.
Job Chanel. You guys not used to listening to me. Only one person. So 10 people take the trade when coach calls it. One person takes it when I call it. Fine. I'll stop calling trades.
Well, someone's still done for the day. We can't yell at you if you're done for the day.
You're done for the day. I'll give you a call.
Yeah, we're happy to give gongs out.
Who's done for the Paul S is done for the day. Get your gong, sir.
Right. Remember what are flag patterns? We'll talk about that later and maybe even do one in class.
Ooh, flag patterns class.
Yeah.
We're on support resistance and basic training, they got.
Love it.
One more gong for anybody else that was done for the day. That I may have missed. Good job, Mike. Good job, Drew. All you guys. Paul S. Get faster, Paul S. Get faster. Wake up more, buddy. Get those sleepy eyes off. That was a perfect setup, Paul S. Look at all the confluence you had, buddy. This is something that I expect you to be able to do. Okay? Please just say yes.
Now, some of you could look at, you say, all right, I can't catch the market when it's turning down. How about looking at a resistance area? Say, all right, I've got a 200 moving average here, 303. I'll put a sell limit there. Doesn't mean you have to wait, but at least have something ready for you. And then if you don't get it, boom, you jump in when a flag pattern's complete. That's what your 6 minutes were for, guys. You should know now where we know where support was, right? 270, but you know where's resistance also. Now, is it going to be convenient and go up to 380 for you again? Probably not. Two kinds of profitable traders today. Those who are initiating a short trade and those who are buying because their trailing stop is hit from a short trade. So there are buyers who can be, that what we call that is a no risk long. Okay, if you ever hear the term, say no risk long, you say, how can you do that? Well, if you're buying, why would you buy? If you were short, why would you buy? Because you think, oh, well, it might go up now and I don't want to give back my profits. So that's called a buy stop.
Double bottom forming here, guys.
Good reason to put a trailing stop. And it could be just like, remember, the one at 270 before. And that was at 9 o'clock. That's, almost an hour and a half, an hour and 47 minutes ago.
Consolidating a bit.
Sorry, 47 minutes ago.
Yeah. It's close to an hour.
An hour between friends.
Yeah.
We've lived a long time. Hours to me are like seconds to you young guys.
Well, it was the other way around. Seconds to you are like hours to me.
Hours?
Faster.
Yeah, my time goes slower.
Wait.
No.
It does? My time goes slower. I feel like time goes super slow for me.
Well, no, I mean, if I say 10 years,
it's like
for you, if I say 40 years,
like,
that's only half my lifetime. 40
like
years you were born.
It's like 4 years for me.
Yeah, so it goes slower.
4 years. 40 years. Huh.
40 years. Still, hey, the coach has his soiled baby. Now they have disposable. Then my mother did it. There was no such thing as like throwaway diapers. You didn't throw them away. You washed them. Ugh.
We use hand-me-down disposable diapers.
Yeah, in our family we didn't use diapers. We just dropped on the floor. We used it for fertilizer. We grew tomatoes. We had great tomatoes.
our farm was had the best fruit ever.
Yeah. Trees loved it.
Guys, it's consolidating a little bit. Just, I mean, you could be looking at a cell signal. But I guess technically you guys could have done a first step rule, technically. But
Yeah, if you look, guys, at that
that's what-
parabolic on the 2 minutes, all the way up there, still at 3:15. Can you believe that? Hard to believe after that was a big cell area. Yeah, cloth diapers we used on your kids. We had a lot of dung beetles around our house. You know, they just wait for you to walk by.
dung beetles?
Dung beetles, yeah. You ever see those things? And oh man, there's a whole like nature
Oh,
channel.
yeah, I
on
watched
this.
it. I just
They'll follow elephant turds and they roll them around and they burrow into them and they have a good life.
Yeah, great.
Yeah. all,
Warm,
all the food you can eat.
warm, steamy house all the
Yeah.
time.
Nothing disgusts a dung beetle, right? You know, like coffee bean.
They
No.
have it. They have it.
Yeah.
They will, and you can happily get elephant poo coffee.
Mm,
Real thing.
well. Tastes like chicken coffee.
A lot of you guys could probably start practicing your tick tick boom
Yeah.
trades if you wanted to in this area. You guys could again practice your tick tick boom. I mean, it does look like it's consolidating, guys. You might be at
Yeah. Yeah. Last 12 minutes have been sideways and 984. We still got a long way to go on the downside, but you know, in the daily, this is a pullback. This is a minor pullback. We had 1,000 point. The elephant with pink shoes. I love it.
I mean, realistically, we probably see 320-ish again
Yeah.
for a good sell signal.
Yeah. I love those overbought indicators, guys, that just sort of, you can see the tape just slow down and then it rolls. As soon as it rolls, you jump in. Is anybody still in a trade and trailing? Robert, you still in there?
Hey, Willow, what's up, buddy?
Still a good trade for Robert. I wouldn't get too nervous, guys. Short at 260. All right. Well, you could do VA. You get yourself 20 points, take one off, bring your stop to that trailing goldenrod 89 exponential moving average. Because you don't want to get trapped in a 130-point rally.
Yeah, make sure you're taking profits, VA.
It's nice to make money in the first half an hour. Not too good giving it back in the next 5.5 hours.
Good job, VA. What do you guys want to do? You guys want to do support and resistance and a real trailing stops today and basic training? You guys want to do that? We're going to do support resistance and we can do a review of trailing stops. How about that? Yeah? If I get 3 more yeses, I'll do it. If not, we're just doing support and resistance.
Drew's got a yes. Green. Oh, look at that.
All right.
All right. See, they
I'm trying to
do.
go you guys into participating.
Yeah.
All right. We're going to do a review of trailing stops again today. This is a good day to do it.
Yeah.
I think this trade management and stop management should be something we do weekly in basic training. What do you guys think?
Yeah. Because it's a reminder. That's all. No, he's here.
Said I'm distant. I am distant. I'm emotionally distant. And don't like to let people in my life too close.
Hmm.
So that's why I sound that way, Bill. I can turn this mic on. I sound a lot better, but are you guys getting feedback? My mic? You have my mic on. No feedback?
No
Okay.
feedback.
Then I'll do it like this. All right. I'm no longer emotionally distant. I care about people now.
At 4 o'clock, we become happy after we see all those green people and the one. There's going to be one red. We know
One
that.
red?
We're ready for it.
We're ready for the one red person. We're ready for the one red person right now.
Question, ladies and gentlemen: will you be the red person today?
Red with anger.
Yeah.
We could be looking at, again, if you guys are doing tick tick boom trades, take a high tick short. It's not horrible, right, Coach?
Yeah, it's profitable. And it's, even though you say, well, wait, it's not side. It is actually from 940.
We've been,
From 940 to right now, it's exactly the same price, 265.
Yeah. The first indecision candle was at 938. First indecision candle happened at 938, guys.
And look at it if you were short, right? If you shorted the highs, you want more lows. You want it to go to S2. And they're saying, how come in the last 20 minutes, no S2? So have you guys ever been in a trade for 20 minutes? It's just not giving you more profit. And you start saying, I'll get out. All you need, a couple of hundred traders saying, I'll get out here and wait for a rally. And it goes up. That's why even downtrends have rallies, because you still. I see a Sakasa sells.
Yeah, I just told you guys.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how much more warning. Did you guys get that? Should have your first target off now, guys. We got a high tick short with off of resistance, off of everything you can look for right there. Almost a little tiny fake out breakout. Please tell me you guys got that. I was trying to give you plenty of advance notice. Yeah, good job, guys. Here's your money trade. Paul, thank you.
We're going to 984.
No, we're going to grandmother's house. Now we've got our break on the downside. Nice job, guys. Nice job. 1-0. All right. Lock in a couple ticks, guys, and relax your stops. Don't get too tight on it.
213 next target.
Lock in a couple ticks.
213. At least take another one off. Here we go. 220. Should have gotten one at 213. Now it's just trailing. Trail and sail. I'm going to check Nicholson. It's great, Nick. Love it. Now, don't add anything here. When you see the stochastics rising, guys, you just trail your stop and just say, Hey, don't hit my stop, Mr. Market. Go make a new low. Don't do anything. Don't get out unless your stop is hit. Everything should be pretty profitable right now. Great job, Robert. When we look at clients and we say, trail your stop, Robert's face appears. Yeah. No, if you saw him at the boot camp, he'd be walking around like he's going to get a sticky bunny and go, what are you doing? Are you going to trade? Oh, yeah, I'm short. I got to stop in. He doesn't sit there and watch. He doesn't watch every tick. Got to stop and lets the market do his work. No, he's good that way. I'll say overnight, right, Robert?
In a trending market, you can put it on the 89 and walk away. If this is my rule. If I get up 50, 60 ticks in a trade and the 89's well in a profit for me, why not use it?
Yep.
Especially if we're really trending. Now, if we're range bound, I won't do it. But if we get a good downtrend day, 89 can just slowly make you profits for a long time.
Yep.
It's been short since Easter. Whoa. Did we get some news? 10 a.m. news? Midnight news?
Yeah. What's
Double
going
bottom
on
there?
at 10 o'clock? Hold on. That's something.
Oh,
Chat log.
missed that one.
10 o'clock.
No, that was a good trade, guys.
Nothing.
Just decided that it was going to be a
Just decided trailing stops are
Support.
meant to be hit.
short. Is there any news outside of this? Did Putin do something stupid or something?
No, just it came near us too. That's all. And they're using it as a target. Okay. If you short again, guys, your target's going to be 202. It just was a short covering rally. That's it. 202 next target. Good job, Robert. We'll get you more trades, guys. It's almost like there are two major forces battling each other because you see it spike up, spike down. That's why we want you to be done for the day. Little M at what, 269 or so? Keep you green. Everybody's flat right now, right? What are you doing? Cat fell off the table. Huh. Everybody's flat, right? Enjoying your victory dance? Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello? Hello?
All right. If you look at this as a flag pattern, you can draw a trend line, right, guys? And drawing tools, array. All right. Breaks through that little flag trend line, and you can take it short again. I'm going to refresh my charts. Be back in 20 seconds. He wants to go out. Are the dogs out there right now? Yeah. Okay, we're back. See if we break this little trend line. No trade on right now, guys. Just waiting and watching. Little 15 range cell signal. 15 range now. Good job, Robert. We get that trend line break. Jump on it, guys. $269 be your next support. $269. Notice the ticks have gotten a little more positive during this recovery, right? And again, it's a short covering rally, and that's fine. This is what we call a bear flag. Order filled. Order filled. Anybody get 269? Very good. Okay, let's just sit around and watch. Does it go lower? Does it break 249? Next support. Next target.
Order filled.
Good job, guys. Good job. Everybody ready to rest for a while? Beautiful. ATR is not that bad, guys. 27 points. Doable.
I miss all the fun, don't I, guys?
Little support there, 238.
How we doing, guys? Everybody flat? Anybody in a trade? I keep looking for these high tick shorts when we start consolidating here. Nope. How are we doing? Flat? Okay. Anytime you guys start seeing it consolidate like that, start looking for those high tick shorts. That's Coach has been talking about flag pattern this morning. Those are the easy flag patterns. Getting good job, Sloan. Is there anybody in a trade right now other than me? High tick short.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully, you've enjoyed our stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, just visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your free trial with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls, as well as participation in chat to have questions answered by a coach. After your first free 3 days, it's just $99 a month to start with trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.